म्हापशेच्या रवळू खलब हांच्या मालकीची 1,48,000 चौखण मीटर जमीन बेकायदेशीरपणान बळकाटावन ती विकपाचें कारस्थान मांद्रेचो आमदार जीत आरोलकर हाणें केला। 4 वर्सां पयलीं रवळू खलब हांची जमीन जितान बळकटयला। त्या वेळार रवळू खलब हे अमेरिकेत आशिल्ले। ह्या विशीं आपणे फाटल्या 2 म्हयन्यां पयलीं SIT कडेन कागाळ नोंद केल्ली आसा, मात SITन ह्या कागाळीचेर कांयच कारवाय करूंक ना असो आरोप ॲडव्होकेट आयरिश रॉड्रिक्स हाणें केला। ह्या विशीं तांणी सोमारा रवळू खलब हांच्या सयत पणजे येवन पुलीस महासंचालक जसपाल सिंग हांची भेट घेवन संबंधीत प्रकरणाची म्हायती दिली। जीत आरोलकर हांच्या आड कडक कारवाय करपाची मागणी आयरिश रॉड्रिक्सान केला।
Rolu Kalap, native of Mapsa, who is now residing in the United States. Mr. Kalap's property in Dargal, in Pernet Taluka, admitting 1,48,000 square meters, has been blatantly grabbed by the now Mandrem MLA Jeet Arolkar. A complaint to this effect was filed with the SIT on 4th of July this year. As there was no reply or no status of the investigation of the complaint from the SIT on 14th of August, I sent them a reminder because the complaint was filed by me on the behalf of Mr. Kalap, who had given me the authority letter to file that complaint. Now it is over 2 months and the SIT is just sitting on this complaint. The Chief Minister is on record saying that each and every complaint will be investigated by the SIT, but it is very clear that the SIT has been in no mood to investigate the complaint against a ruling MLA of the government. Now, this land of Mr. Kalap is 1,48,000, which Jeet Arolkar developed into 200 plots. It is an undivided property. He made plots by himself, sold it, and sold it to various police officers also. The whole thing was done all illegal.